locks. Oh my God, I have locks. Is my hair gonna be matted? Will I have lice? Oh my God. I told her to send her a photo of my hair and she saw the photo and you know what she said? Oh, that's a lot of hair. How long is it? I told her at the time I thought it was 14 inches. She said, oh, that's a lot of hair. She never called me back. Was I mad at her house? She doesn't know. I moved on. Girl, dready. Hi, somebody. Hi, somebody. Welcome to Rebel for a Spell. On this channel here, sir, we trust our decisions and be the truest you. Yes, darlings, we got one shot at this life, and we're gonna live our lives, darlings. It's been a while. I know, long time no see, I know. I'm on a proper camera tonight. I'm sweating as usual. The air conditioner is on, so if you hear a little that's what it is. Darlings, I know you realize something a little different about your girl. Can you tell? I locked my hair. Go check out that video, darlings. So this is Storytime Microlocs Journey from loose natural to MICROLOCS. I did it. So here we go. Here's the rundown of this video. I've got a meeting, but you know, you gotta keep hustling. We need more than one income stream. You know that, right, darlings? You're 9 to 5, you're 5 to 10, and maybe you're 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock in the morning, depending on your vocation, darlings. I do not judge. Here's the order of this thing I'm looking at because I have my phone. Gotta stay organized, darlings. Whycome Numero uno. Whycome I lock my hair. Research and planning. Cost. Whens. That's my name, darlings. Make sure you subscribe, darlings. Subscribe to this channel. Thumbs it up, thumbs it up, thumbs it up. And tell all your peeps and share this video because, you know, that's what we do. We share, we have difficult conversations, personal growth. Your man's on them. That's men, your lovers. Your women. We do not discriminate on you. Gay, straight, bi, tri, whatever, come in here. So that's Whycome, research, cost, when's hair prep, things that I did to prepare, and then my Loctitian hair prep of my hair when I was physically there, and what it felt like to lock my hair when she was actually doing it, darlings. We need to know these things. I don't know what number that is. How long it took to establish my MICROLOCS. And next steps, the do's and the don'ts. All right? Again, thumbs it up if you're loving it, because we bring them the truth. On this channel, we build confidence, and we love you on the channel, and we have giveaways. We may have a giveaway with this video. I'm not sure, darlings. There's a lot happening. Numero uno. Whycome I lock my hair? Here's the truth, darlings. I talked about it in the other video. Time is a luxury, and I have a very active life. Personally and professionally, my love, I need my time. And my hair, because it's fine, natural hair, I think you can see, fine, and dense, medium dense, it takes a long time. And I was a finger detangler, no combs, honey, not doing this, yes, so that's why. Time is a luxury, and I need to have my time for all the things that have been consuming my life. And darlings, I'm not the type of natural who was rushing through and busting up their hair. No, darlings, I was not doing that. That's not who I am. Research and planning, darlings, it's been a while I've been thinking about locking my hair. The kicker for me, the real kicker for me was, this is number 2, was I love to swim, I love to dive, I love to go snorkeling. And darlings, every time I go, my hair is all tango-wangly. I go and deal with it no more. I'm done with that. 2 hours and days. Done with that. I have a life, darlings. I need hair freedom. Hair freedom, and you say it for me? Say it for me down in the comment section below. Hair freedom. All right, darlings. Usually I don't have my hair down because I give you the tips about why you should have your hair down. I locked my hair not too long ago, darlings, not even a week. Now where are we now? Research and planning. It took me about, I would say a week and a half to do some proper research about who I would like to lock my hair and why I would not choose SisterLocks. SisterLocks or MICROLOCS. I chose MICROLOCS because of the flexibility and the immediacy of when you see your hair looking full. SisterLocks, I'll show you some random picture if I find it, darlings. SisterLocks takes a while for your hair to fill in. Your hair will look very gappy, but you know, I'm from the islands, baby. I'm gonna give it to you real gappy, patchy. I ain't want no patchy. So that's why I didn't use SisterLocks. And also the investment, darling. SisterLocks costs an average of about, let's say 14 to 2,000 US dollars. Let's say it again, 14,000 to $2,000. And I got things for my money to do, not that. And in MICROLOCS, I like the flexibility. I can go swimming within about a month. It'll fill in, it'll look full, and it wasn't so regimented. But LOCS has a lot of rules. I am a rule breaker, honey. Did you hear the name of this channel? rebelforaspell. Darlings, okay, let's keep going. Cost. So after I researched, I went on Instagram, I went on all the LOCS website, because it's a dedicated LOCS website that has all the what you call this thing, all the authorized and licensed and trained LOCS somebody, okay? But here's the thing that I found out through my research and through my Loctitian. The folks who install LOCS, the Loctitians, all you need is a 4-week course, or 4-hour, correction, darlings. If I misspeak, forgive your girl. It's sweaty. I'm sweaty and I have plans. He may be outside of the door shortly. I gotta hustle. Anyway, darlings. Yes, what are we talking about? Yes. He's a distraction. I love it. Yes, all you need is a 4-hour course to install LOCS and learn the training method. Darlings, I need somebody who knows how to handle natural hair and care for natural hair, because I am the type of naturale who's not all about the cuteness. I need my hair to be healthy, hair to be thriving, not the hair to get bust up and go through the door. That dear ain't for I and I lassie. Dread we dread, messing with me hair. I got the MICROLOCS. Every darlings. So that's why. That was number research and planning. Finally, I found someone on Instagram, my Loctitian, darling. Her hair is beautiful. She's a trained beautician in the art of natural hair. So she knows about care, maintenance, and lowing up lovements of the natural hair. And I have 4C here. So I need someone who's not going to blow through, because not everybody knows how to handle 4C thin natural hair. And she knew it, darlings. I found her. She's in Tennessee, so I said, you know what, how your money looking? You looking all right? Let's get it together, honey, because you gonna be on that plane. Cost. So my hair, darlings, I'll come a little closer. Can you see my lines? Very, very, very thin. That's what I wanted. That's what I want. You could keep them as long as you want. The width or the measurements for this is 5/16, 5/116. Very small. That's what I chose. You can get them any size you'd like. And of course, she installed them as loose 2-strand twists, but of course with interlocking. Darlings, I'll leave some links for you to go check it out, darlings. I have a date. I can't be all up in here giving you all the teas, but you know I love you on the channel, so I'll put them in below. All right, darlings. So yes, we talked about 1, Whycome I did this thing, time, 2, research planning, and cost. So the cost of this particular do, you may think it's expensive, darlings, but for me, because the quality, and this is a person with 12 years experience with natural hair. This ain't no 4-hour course girl, okay? She knows what she's doing and her hair's gorgeous. The cost of my hair was in total $900 US. Let's talk about what it covers. It covers washing, detangling, and an evaluation, a consultation up front about 3 weeks before I had the appointment, where you talk about your hair and what you need and any sensitivity. And don't lie when you get your free consultation. Tell the truth. You know your hair gappy, or you have dandruff, or your sensitivity. Speak the truth. And so we had that before. So that's research and planning. I forgot the dollars. What can I tell you? It's an event. Today is an event. I can't remember. It's been a while since I've been on camera. So then you have that free consultation, and she tells you when and what to do before you go. So before you go, I went to my appointment. She said, do not what? What I did to prep my hair before I went to the Loctitian. Don't wash your hair, okay? Because she's going to take care of that. She has to make sure that your hair is stripped from all the moisturizing, conditioning, oil, treatment, gel, and all them things what I put in my hair. She's going to take care of that. So I did not wash my hair, but I detangled my hair the day before I took my flight. That took 5 hours. 5 hours. Yes, darlings, what I tell you, I'm a 4C natural. It's proper work. I detangled first with my fingers, and then I used the comb for the first time in about 2.5 years. It was an event. Anyway, so that's what I did, and then I twisted my hair single and loose, and pinned it up, put on my scarf, went to bed, took the flight. That's all I did. Did not scratch my scalp, did not do any dandruff. I don't have any of that. So that's what I did to prep. So when I went there, she, number whatever this is, the Loctitian, prepped my hair even further. I opened my hair, I'll show you a video, clip something. I opened my hair from the twist so she wouldn't have a hard time. And then she spritzed my hair one twist at a time. So I unraveled the twist. She spritzed it with water, and then she detangled maybe this much of a twist at a time with a white tooth comb. Then she twisted it back up and put it away, and she kept going until, you know, she was all done. And when she was all done, so my hair was lightly damp, then we had the shampoo at the sink and a rinse out conditioner. She used a regular shampoo, regular rinse out conditioner. I think it was a Cream of Nature and some other kind of rinse out conditioner. After that, she dried my hair. That didn't take all that long, but she was very gentle. I explained to her, go check out that video, honey. The SBSC, my scalp is super sensitive to it. So she took care of that very gently, and that's what took some time. So then that's about half the day's done, like 1 o'clock or so. She started to install the twists, but before she did that, darling, she had to create the grid. I'll show you a photo, darling. So she created the grid to see where she would want all the twists to be established, so we can have divided lines throughout my hair if I wanted to flip it in a ponytail or create see that, darling? That's the grid. All right, so it makes it easy for you to style your hair, part down the middle and all that stuff. And I have thin naturally. You can see it looks even thinner now because she blow dried my hair, so it doesn't coil up like I love it, but it's going to coil up, darlings. All right, let's keep going. So that's what she did. What did it feel like when she installed the locks? Pain-free. I didn't even realize she was locking my hair until she said, yeah, I'm locking. I was like, she's so gentle. Even the interlocking was gentle. Like she would take, let's say she would take about this much. Can you see, darling? This much of my hair was a grid pattern, and then she would braid a twist, 16 little twists in that grid, and then she'd put that away, then another set of 16. I'll show you what it looks at the end of day one, so you're here in this video, so you can get a sense. But the first day took about, let's say in total 9 hours, let's say 8 hours or so, because we took a break for lunch and a break here and a break there. So it's very gentle, she's very chill. You have to find according to me, honey, spiritual connection is important. I don't want nobody up in my head and all this rubber dunk and all this ghettoism and unprofessionalism, because some of those consultations that I had, darlings. One girl I spoke to, I told her, I sent her a photo of my hair, and she saw the photo, and you know what she said? Oh, that's a lot of hair. How long is it? I told her at the time, I thought it was 14 inches. She said, oh, that's a lot of hair. She never called me back. Was I mad at her? Hell to no. I moved on, darlings. I moved on and I found my girl. All right, let's keep it going. So first day took about 8 hours. The second day, we started at 9. We finished at 5:35 a.m. the day after. So the second day was about 22 hours straight. Straight meaning we locked my hair, but we took a break here, break there. So 22 hours. The second day. So in total, you get it, right? A total was 30 hours or so, just to do everything. But it was worth it for me. She was very gentle, very chill. We had jokes, girl. She puts an incense and we rock it to Lorena, baby. All right, darling. So the number of locks I have, let's keep it moving. Don't know the number. I have a total, yes, 553 microlocs in my hair. I know, darlings, I know it's outrageous, it's a large number, but that's what I wanted. Storytime Microlocs Journey from loose natural to MICROLOCS. Your girl, ready. Darling. So the funny thing when I got this, she measured my hair again. I forgot to tell you this. This video is all over the place. You got that drift. So in her Loctitian prep, the very first thing she did was measure my hair, and she found out that my hair was actually 14 to 16 inches. So some parts were 16 inches, some parts were 14 inches. What can I tell you? Did that affect the price? No, she was kind enough. And so, darlings, I made sure I took care of her in the tip. Darlings, let's go. So my official lock date was August 19th, 2021, darlings, and 553 locks, and the do's and the don'ts. Typically, I don't have my hair out at all, and that's what she recommends. Every day, I only opened up my hair for this video, And again, it's blow dried, so that's why you can see the length a little bit more. Normally my hair shrinks about here, 16 inches in the most parts. So what I do is normally twist my hair and put it away so that my hair has to cure for 1 month or so, at least 1 month. Meaning, can I wash my hair? What? No, I can't wash my hair. Is my hair going to stink? You think it's gonna smell? Stinky hair girl. That's what they're gonna call me. So that's gonna be rough because I usually wash my hair. I usually wash my hair every week. It's cathartic, John, like therapy. But it's gonna be a struggle. I'm gonna stick with it because I need my hair to cure. That means set, and not only just the roots, my loves, but the because my hair, I can't remember, 4 to some kind of weeks. At most 8 weeks, she gets the roots retied so that you can see this. Can you see that, darlings? You see how the root is like that? You want to keep that tightened and not unraveling because they call this word slippage. If I wash my hair too quickly, I'm going to have slippage. If I treat my hair as if I can style it every day and every way, it's going to unravel. And darling, I ain't got time for that. I love my hair. I get up in the morning, I'm like, I have my head scarf on. Oh my gosh, I gotta go to work. Oh my God, I can't believe this. I gotta go to work. I'm done. I'm through the door. Just mine. I'm luck. You girl, lucky. Lucky. So darlings, the do's. Live your life. That's what this gives me. Hair freedom. I can come in and go to work and not even think about my hair so much. Not washing my hair so often and all that junky product stuff I had and all the products and all the detangling. Time saver. Time is a luxury, darling. I need to live my life and keep moving forward and swimming and enjoying all the pleasures that come with finding and being and living the truest version of myself. And my hair was taking up too much time, darling. And the don'ts, I can't wash my hair for a long time, 6 weeks, that's gonna be rough. The don'ts, don't think you can just be playing in your hair and be all blah, 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 styling it. Keep away from all that, leave your hair alone. Not a problem for me, darling, because I was a lazy natural. And what else? You have to retie every whatever schedule you put on and just be gentle with your hair, darlings. And sprinkle the love in the comment section below, my love. Leave a little love in the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel.
Another video is waiting for you. Check it out. Check it out now.